we're going to go see a nice waterfall up here called Sacred Falls. It's about 1,500 vertical feet. We'll do some turns, so get those camera ready. Once we take a left past this ridge, it'll be off your left side. It's about 1,500 vertical feet. Bring your attention. Yeah, see it off your left side here, Sacred Falls, Popo. It'll be coming down off your left side here. Alright, keep your cameras ready there, Timothy, Joe. It'll be coming back off your right. I see a beautiful shoreline out in front of us. This is the road, if you choose to drive around it, the road that takes you around the island. Just a nice little 2-lane road. Beautiful, isn't it? Town of Hawaiian off your right side, home of the Polynesian Cultural Center. They do a pretty nice job at a luau there if you're looking for a luau. We're heading up to Oahu's North Shore. North Shore is out in front of us.
What are the white structures in front of us?
The white balls? So they're big beach balls. You can just roll them down the hill and then they roll them up. Military radar. You'll see some satellites out here as well. This is one of the routes the Japanese took when they attacked Pearl Harbor. Came in the North Shore through the Central Valley and into Pearl Harbor. We're gonna make a big left turn. You'll see that in the next 10 minutes or so. The North Shore is known for their big waves. Famous resort off your right on the shoreline, Turtle Bay. In the winter time, which is October through about April, these waves can get up to 50 feet. Crazy, huh? Welcome to Oahu's North Shore. Summertime waves, water real flat. Beautiful time to come visit. Snorkeling, scuba dive, paddleboard, swim.
Across the USA, then everybody be served like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hair, surfing USA. You'll catch them surfing at Del, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Trent,
Famous surf beaches, Sunset, Bonsai, Waimea, all along the shoreline are famous surf breaks.
surfing USA.
We'll go do some turns at Waimea Bay. The Beach Boys sing about this song, so it's gotta be cool.
We're waxing down our surfboard. We can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer. We're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. And Anchor Keys and Guam, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sun, Redondo Beach and LA, all over the Hawaiian, at Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing USA.
There's Waimea off your left there, and we'll climb, bring it off the right.